Today I'm going to show you how to make a pork tenderloin wrapped with bacon and sweet potatoes. And here we go. So I'm going to start out with my sweet potato and my spit it out, Sal. My pork loin is not going to take that long. So I want to make sure that my sweet potato is done with this. If I can get that cut there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay my sweet potato in there, like so. And I'm just going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on it. And I am going to take my bacon and I'm just going to lay like a couple little strips of bacon over it. Give it a little bit of moisture and a little more flavor. I usually just bake my baked potato with nothing on it, but I thought this might be a little something different. Tastes good. And of course I'll peel it as I eat it, but that should be good. And then I'm going to take this is a smoked applewood smoked bacon with spices. So I'm just going to open that up. And I am going to leave the spices on it because it's all encrusted. And I'm going to wrap this with a couple oh, it smells so good. It's smoked. I can tell it's smoked. And I'm just going to wrap a couple pieces of bacon around it just to add some moisture for it. And I'm going to bake this 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. And I'll see what we've got. And I think we're going to have a nice dinner there. I'm hoping anyway. And I'll get back to you. Okay, it's coming out of the oven. Oh, it looks delicious. Look at that. What a beautiful meal. Okay, I think I'm going to I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes. It looks awfully hot anyway, so I'll be back. Okay, I let this rest for about 10 minutes. So we are going to cut this beautiful tenderloin and see what we got here. Oh, it looks perfect. Can you see it okay? Oh, that looks so good. That should be enough for right now. I always like to make sure it's a little bit more on the done side than the undone side. And then I've got my beautiful, I'm going to grab one of those bacons too. I got my beautiful sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh, I just love sweet potatoes. Yeah, what the heck. All right. And here we have it. This beautiful pork loin and sweet potato dinner. And I hope you enjoyed my little quick nothing video. Quick and easy dinner. And thank you so much for watching. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. And thank you so much for watching.